Let's solve this exponential question together. We have 2 raised to the power of p is equal to p raised to the power of 32. So in solving this question here, what you need to do is solution. So now, in solving this question, let's write our question. Okay, so now we're going to taking 1 all over p from both sides. That is, we are taking 1 all over p from this side and this side as well. So that gives us 2p multiplied by 1 all over p is equal to p raised to the power of 30 multiplied by 1 all over p. So p will take care of p. You have 2 is equal to p raised to the power of 32 all over p. Now, taking 1 all over 32 from both sides. So we are taking 1 over 32 from both sides. So from here now we have 2 raised to the power of 1 over 32 is equal to p raised to the power of 32 all over p multiplied by 1 all over 32. You have 2 1 all over 32 is equal to, here this comes 32 divided by 32 is 1. So you have p raised to the power of 1 all over p. So this is the same thing as p raised to the power of p 1 over p is equal to 2 1 all over 32. So we know that 2 is the same thing as 2 is the same thing as 2 raised to the power of 1 is the same thing as 2 raised to the power of 2 all over 2, because 2 divided by 2 is what? Is 1. So we have not changed anything. So we are going to put this as this, right? So that gives us p raised to the power of 1 all over p is equal to 2 raised to the power of 2 all over 2, then times 1 all over 82. So p raised to the power of 1 over p is equal to, so here we can write it as 2 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of 1 all over 2 multiplied by 32, right? Is the same thing. So p raised to the power of 1 all over p is equal to, so here this will give us what? This will give us 4. Then here 2 times 32, that gives us 1 all over 64, right? So let's continue from here. So now again, this can be written as p raised to the power of 1 over p is equal to 4 raised to the power 2 all over 2 is the same thing as 2 raised to the power 1 multiplied by 1 all over 64. This is the same thing as p raised to the power 1 all over p is equal to, so here we can put it as 4 raised to the power 2 1 all over 2 1 all over 64. I have not changed anything because this power go up is the same thing. So with this we now have p raised to the power 1 over p is equal to, so here we give us 16, right? Raised to the power 2 times this, I give us 128. Then We continue. P raised to power 1 over p is equal to. So here we can see, right, 16 2 all over 2 multiplied by 1 all over 28, right? So let's continue from here. So so with this we'll have this. So this is the same thing as p raised to power p all over p 1 over p is equal to 16 raised to power 2 1 all over 2 1 all over 128, right? So this is the same thing as p raised to power 1 over p is equal to 16 raised to power 2 give us 256. So here 2 times 128, that gives us 1 all over 256. So now you notice that we are going to equate the powers, right? So equating the power, that will give us 1 all over p is equal to 1 all over 256. So you cross multiply 1, p times 1, that gives us p, 1 times 256, that gives us 256. So definitely, therefore, p is equal to 256. Verifying, let's verify to know to see if it is true. So in verifying this, let's verify to see if we are correct. So in verifying this, we have that 2 raised to power p is equal to p raised to power 32. So when we see p, we are going to write 256. So 202 raised to power 256 is equal to 256 raised to power 32. And this is the same thing as 2 raised to power 256 can be broken into 4 times 60 and 62, and this is equal to 256 raised to power. So 256, this can be written as 16 raised to power 2 then raised to power 32, right? I know that in indices, if y raised to power a, c raised to power b, this can be giving you y raised to power a is a, b. So the same thing we are going to do here. So this, let's continue from here. So with that, you have a 2 raised to power 6, a 2 raised to power 4 is 16. So that is 16, right? 16 raised to power 64 is equal to, here 2 times 32, that gives us 16 raised to power 64. So this gives us that we are correct. So please subscribe to my channel so you can follow more of this. Thank you.